Good afternoon. So class, this is your English period and I am your Anupam ma'am and I am here with your grammar book. In grammar, we have completed up to chapter number 6. And what was chapter number 6? The chapter number 6 was describing words. And now here we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, articles a and the. Okay, so let's get started. Read the following sentences carefully. Here one girl and a boy is there. They are saying something, and what she is saying, a is used before words that begin with consonants. Examples: a bat, a cap, a doll. This girl is saying that a is used for the words, for the naming words especially, that begin with a consonant like a bat, a cap, a doll. See here, bat starts with a consonant B, cap starts with a consonant C, and doll starts with a consonant D. And here bat, cap and doll, they are one in number, and a means 1. A means 1. Okay, that's why a is used before words that begin with consonants. Examples: a bat, a cat, a doll. इसका मतलब है a bat, एक bat, a cap, एक cap, a doll, एक doll. Okay, now what this boy is saying? The boy is saying that a and an is used before words that begin with vowels, sounds. Example: an apple, an elephant. Here the boy is saying that the naming words that start with a vowel, and all of you know that there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So if any naming word is 1 in number, like here bat is 1, cap is 1 and doll is 1. Likewise, if any naming word is 1 in number and it starts with a, e, I, o, u, then a and an is added before the word. And as I told you that a means 1, a and an also means the same. An also means 1. An apple, ek apple, an elephant, ek elephant. Okay, now proceed. Now see here we have learned about a and an, the application of a and an. Now it's time to know something about the. Where the is used. The is used when we want to talk about something in particular. If we are talking about anything that is particular, then we use the word the. Examples: the book with a red cover, the doll in a blue frock. Okay, suppose I am taking the example of this pencil. Okay, this is a pencil, and if suppose I have given you the example of a pencil. Okay, now if I have to use the, when I will use the for this? Suppose somebody is asking me, give me a pencil, then I will give any pencil that he or she wants. Okay, but if I ask him or her that which pencil you want, so anybody can tell me that the blue pencil, the green pencil. So here the green pencil is specified, that जिसको pencil चाहिए उसे यही pencil चाहिए, green वाली pencil. So when we are talking something about in particular, the is used. So this is a pencil. A pencil का example है I want the green pencil. That is the example of the, the. Okay. Now we also use the. अब the का second जो use है वो ये है. We also use the before the sun. See here, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Taj Mahal, because there is only one of them. If anything is one of its kind, only one of its kind, जब कोई चीज़ स्पेसिफिक होती है और सिर्फ एक होती है तब भी हम THE द यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे आपको पता है सन एक ही है, सन एक ही है, देयर इज़ नो अदर सन, सो वी यूज़ द सन. Likewise, moon is only one, so the moon. Taj Mahal is only one, the Taj Mahal. Earth is only one, the earth. Sky is only one, the sky. Okay. Now next, there is an exercise in which we have to use a, an, or the. Okay. We have to keep it in mind that a will be used with the word that is 1 in number and starts with a consonant. A and an will be used with the naming word that is 1 in number and starts with a vowel. But the will be used before a particular naming word. Okay. The is used with a particular object or particular naming word. So now see here, you have to fill a, an, or the. So a mouse because M is a consonant. An egg because E is a vowel. An angel, A is vowel here, that's why N is used. A car, C is a consonant, so A is used. An ostrich, O is a vowel, that's why A and an is used. A kitten, K is consonant here, that's why A is used. Now the next page. A and an igloo, egg igloo. I is vowel here, that's why A and an is used. A rabbit, R is consonant here, that's why A is used. A rabbit. A frog because F is a consonant, that's why A is used. Next, the moon. Moon is only one, that's why THE the is used. As I told you in the explanation part that THE the is used before the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Taj Mahal because there is only one of them. Moon is only one, that's why THE the is used. Likewise, the sun. For sun also THE the is used because sun is only one. And here A and an umbrella because U is a vowel. And before every vowel, every naming word that starts with a vowel, A and an is used because A and an means one. Okay. Now next one. Again here the same exercise is there. Fill in the blanks with A, an, or the. Again I am reminding you, A is used with the naming word that is 1 in number and starts with a consonant. A and an is used with the naming word before the naming word that is 1 in number and that starts with a vowel, and THE the is used for a particular object. ठीक है, जब हमें किसी चीज़ को स्पेसिफाई करनी हो कि वो चीज़, देन वी विल यूज़ THE द. और सेकेंड जो रूल है वो है कि जब किसी कोई एक नेमिंग वर्ड होता है जो सिर्फ एक होता है, देन ऑल्सो वी यूज़ THE द. ओके, दैट्स वाई सी आई हैव फिल्ड द आंसर्स. द मून इज आउट टुनाइट. The moon is out tonight. Second, I got a gift today. मुझे एक गिफ्ट मिला. मुझे आज एक गिफ्ट मिला. There is an owl sitting on the tree. एक उल्लू पेड़ पर बैठा है. An owl. I waited for you for an hour. मैंने आपके लिए 1 घंटे तक इंतज़ार किया. So I missed the school bus. Here the school bus, the bus has been specified here. मैंने आपका इंतज़ार किया, मैंने आपकी प्रतीक्षा की, इसलिए मेरी स्कूल बस छूट गई. So here school bus is particular, that's why the is used. Okay. Now the next is, have you visited the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is only one, that's why the is used. And here, I live in a big house. मैं एक बड़े घर में रहता हूँ. A big house. So here the explanation part of using a and the is complete, and we have done 2 exercises on page number 36 as well as on page number 37. Rest we will do in our next classes. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.